Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my plan with me for the first week of October. So it's September 28th through the 4th of October. Can't believe we're already in October. But I am going to be doing basically Halloween type themes. That's typically what I do in my planners in October. So I found this cute Halloweeny Recollections paper pack because of course I'm not going to pull out my stash. I'm just going to use what I just bought. I was really inspired by this piece of paper here with the candles, so I'm going to use this. And so I think it's going to be kind of a white and black theme. Okay, so this is my two things I'm trying to work through. Do I want to cut just the candles out, right? I could just cut the candles out. Or do I want to just cover up the whole paper in this black paper? So I think, since I'm super visual, I have to see it. So let's cut this across. And then of course if I was to do this, I would want to have columns. So I actually think I like that. And then I can put this on this side. It takes up a lot of room, but I still have I think I still have enough room. Okay, so I think I'm gonna work with that concept. So let's do that. Let's just see if I like it. So I'm gonna take the time to cut this into columns. And I usually have questions. Why don't you just glue it? Inevitably, when I do this, somebody will comment, couldn't you just cut a box and glue it on there as a whole piece? I absolutely could. You're absolutely right, I can. But you know what? I like having the division between the days. I know this is upside down, sorry people. I just like having that division between the 2 days. I just like it. So this is the way that I do it. I line it up, and the division is not that big, it's just super tiny. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and make the decision to I'm going to basically make this a completely black and white spread. So I'll definitely have to do something with the pink numbers. So let me go ahead and get all of the strips cut out and then glued on. I'm going to glue them on as I cut them. I probably should have done something with that green line, but you probably won't see it once I have everything else going on. So I'm just going to take each one and just cut it, and it's literally like 1/4 of an inch away. Maybe not even that. Maybe 1/8 of an inch away. And then get them glued. So I will be right back after I get that done. Okay, so I got that done. I really don't like the pink dotty things, but once I get it in the planner, I know I won't even see it really. It doesn't really even show. So I'm going to try to just ignore it. Kind kind of feel like I want to add this piece. I think I'm going to do that. Okay, so let's figure out what we're gonna do about the stickers. I'm kind of thinking maybe I want to use this sticker book, the journaling one, for the stickers. So I've done this before where I cut this little shadowy piece off. I hope you can't hear my kid in the background. And I cut it all the way around to get rid of that white space that's sitting around it. So if I have this sticker like here, what I want this like little jar. I don't know. I'm kind of almost, and I know this is going to be like, it's going to be like a super plain Jane, but I'm kind of feeling like maybe I want to treat this like a chalkboard, like right here, and like or just like the back of a wall, and then just have these stickers be kind of what I use. And I mean, it'll be like a really plain, it'll be a pretty plain, for me at least, pretty plain, but I kind of like the idea of just having something kind of simple. Obviously I haven't stuck these on there yet, but I'm just seeing if I like this idea. Because I have a and even if I don't, it's fine. I know I don't like using these stickers with that little shadowing anyway, so yeah, see, I'm kind of liking that. I know it's like not my typical, but sometimes not my typical, like not your typical is good, right? I mean, sometimes you gotta mix it up a little bit. Do something different. So how many of these boxes do I have in that sticker book? Where'd that sticker book go? With this black. Just kind of like just stressing them a little bit. So I'm just very lightly patting. Oh, I kind of like that. Because then it kind of matches the candle. And it just doesn't have such a crisp, you know, edge to it. And then I can take away that white edge on the sticker. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, so I think I'm going to do that. And I think I'm going to see how many of those stickers I have. I have some big ones that I could do that with. Like I can put them, I can do it with the big ones. I have the hexagon ones, but I think I want to use those. Okay, I have this circly one that I stuck on this piece of paper because I didn't like how it looked. I'm just going to cut. I don't like the quote bubble thing. It's just never been my thing. I've never really liked it. So I'm just going to cut this off. It's interesting, when I bought this sticker book, I really thought I was going to love these stickers. And then when I got them, I'm like, I just didn't like them. So I'm glad that I'm able to kind of find a way to make them work. Okay, so then if I I just want to lightly tap. Okay, that works. And then I can like do, yeah, okay. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, I'm really liking how this is looking actually. I think it's, sometimes you just need to let your creativeness happen, and it's not necessarily what you think you're going to do, and then you do it and you're like, oh, that actually works. Yeah, so I'm going to kind of just place these. I'm going to do, like, do I want to do it kind of not like, I'm wondering if I can kind of scratch them up a little bit. Maybe like, what would that look like if I kind of crumpled them? Just don't want them to look so crisp and new, you know? Kind of make them look like an old piece of paper. Like maybe even add some rips in it. You know? Maybe not a rip that big. That was kind of a big rip. Maybe just a small little rip. Make a little bit more controlled rips with scissors. Yeah, I'm liking the more I'm stressing them, I'm liking more and more. So I'm going to work on that a little bit and just kind of, I mean, I guess I could play sticker time music over me doing that, I guess. Again, it's my video, so I can pretty much do whatever I want. So yeah, this sticker time will be a little bit different, but Alright, well that is all I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to do anything in the middle just because I don't feel like I want to do anything. I kind of want to do like what I was saying about make it look like it's something on a piece of paper, like a wall. So I'm going to do like little dots to make them look like they're hanging on the wall. I'm going to do. And yeah, so that is the layout for this week. Let me put it in the planner. I had to start a new one because my other one is full. So there is that one. Yeah, like I said, it's kind of different than what I've done before in the past, but I like it. And then I always like to show you what I did for last week. So I'll show you this one from last week. Filled it up with all the goodies. So yeah, that is all I've got for you today. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.